Say goodbye to old-school measuring tapes and meet MEAZOR, the ultra-smart, multifunctional tool that redefines precision. It's a digital ruler, laser measurer, curve tracer, and floor planner, all packed into one sleek device. Ideal for architects, DIYers, and engineers alike, it maps spaces with absolute accuracy. The touchscreen makes switching modes seamless and intuitive. You can store and export your plans instantly to your phone. Its compact, pocket-sized design means you can take it anywhere with ease. Rechargeable, fast, and beautifully built, it's the measurement revolution. MEAZOR isn't just a tool, it's your next upgrade. Fiber installers. This one's for you. The Jonard window shaving tool lets you trim box openings like a pro. It's built for clean, precise cuts without damaging internal wires. Perfect for resizing fiber enclosures or prepping panels in tight spaces. The hardened steel blade ensures long-lasting sharpness, even with regular use. Its ergonomic grip minimizes strain and gives you full control on the job. Light, compact, and easy to carry, it's a must-have for telecom work. Stop wasting time with blades and hacksaws. This tool brings finesse to the fiber game. No more sore wrists or kitchen frustration. The Sanizone 3-in-1 lid opener is here to save the day. It effortlessly opens jars, bottle caps, and even stubborn pull tabs in seconds. Whether you've got arthritis or just a tight lid, this tool brings the grip. Its textured silicone edges give it firm traction without slipping. Compact and lightweight, it fits neatly in drawers or bags. Perfect for camping, cooking, or everyday convenience. It's not flashy, but it's the unsung hero your kitchen needed. One tool, 3 solutions, total ease. This is the mechanic's secret weapon, a rugged piston ring compressor built to make engine work stress-free. Just slip it on, ratchet it tight, and watch the piston glide smoothly into place. Designed for engine rebuilds, it fits a range of diameters with adjustable tension. Its hardened steel body withstands real workshop abuse. Say goodbye to broken rings and ruined rebuilds. With a firm, uniform squeeze, it guarantees precision every time. No mess, no struggle, just clean installs. If you're serious about engines, this tool is non-negotiable. Precision meets innovation with the Arrowmax SDS, a mini electric drill that's controlled by your movements. Just tilt and go, making it perfect for electronics, models, and detailed carving. It features adjustable speed and torque for ultimate control in tight spots. Attach it to the benchtop mount, and it becomes a compact drill press. Crafted with CNC aluminum, it's sleek, strong, and incredibly durable. The LED light ensures clear visibility for fine work. Whether you're building or fixing, this tool responds like an extension of your hand. Smart drilling just got smarter. DALIN isn't just a tool, it's a toolbox that transforms with your imagination. This 12-in-1 machine converts into a sander, saw, drill, engraver, and more in seconds. Whether you're crafting wood or fixing home items, it's ready for action. Modular attachments snap into place with ease, saving space and time. Lightweight but tough, it's built for creators on the move. Every function is powered by a strong, reliable motor for smooth performance. It looks like a sci-fi gadget but works like a pro device. For hands-on minds, this tool is a dream machine. Sailors and captains, meet the multi-tool built just for the open water, the 10-in-1 boat tool. Whether you're adjusting rigging, cutting lines, or opening cans, this gadget has your back. Designed for the harsh marine environment, it's corrosion-resistant and ready for salty air. Every tool folds neatly into a compact body, perfect for stashing in your pocket or tackle box. Grip it with wet hands, no problem. It's got non-slip edges, ideal for emergencies and daily deck work alike. Tough, dependable, and made to perform when it counts. This is boating convenience redefined. Installing siding just got 10 times easier thanks to the SA908 Shingle Sider from PacTool. This clever tool helps you position shingles perfectly without guessing or gaps. It locks shingles into the ideal offset for consistent rows every time. Built from heavy-duty metal, it's designed to withstand rugged job site conditions. With hands-free alignment, you speed up your work without sacrificing accuracy. It's a huge win for roofers, contractors, and even skilled DIYers. Lightweight, easy to carry, and fast to deploy. When siding matters, this tool makes it flawless. Cyclists, meet the Cleat Key, the compact tool designed to fix, align, and maintain your cleats with unmatched precision. Forget eyeballing your pedal setup. This key helps reduce knee pain and boost performance by ensuring perfect alignment. It's pocket-sized and incredibly lightweight, so it rides with you wherever you go. Built tough for roadside fixes or indoor tweaking, It's ready for both professionals and weekend warriors. Say goodbye to misaligned rides and hello to smoother strokes. No more guesswork, just accurate cleat positioning. It's a small tool with a huge impact. Your knees will thank you. Tearing down wallpaper? Don't waste hours scraping. Grab the Allway wallpaper stripper and glide through the mess. This razor-sharp tool peels off old wallpaper like a hot knife through butter. It's built with an angled stainless blade and an ergonomic handle for long jobs. Designed to reduce gouging, it protects walls underneath the paper. Whether you're renovating a room or tackling a full house, this tool speeds up your workflow. Lightweight but heavy in performance, it's a pro's best friend. Strip it clean, fast, and safe. Say goodbye to elbow pain and sticky residue. Need to service your riding mower? The MoJack 750 XT lifts it effortlessly, making maintenance a total breeze. With a lifting capacity of 750 pounds, it gives you full access to blades and decks safely. It uses a screw jack system with a safety lock mechanism, so you get maximum stability. The adjustable wheel pads fit various sizes of mowers and tractors. Fold it for easy storage when not in use. No need to risk injury or jack stands. This tool is built to lift with confidence. Service smarter, not harder. MoJack makes lawn care maintenance safe and simple. This multifunction marvel combines a hammer, ratchet, and screwdriver into one compact powerhouse. The SFIXX hammer ratchet set lets you switch from striking to tightening without changing tools. Built with high-strength steel, it's made to handle real work. The integrated ratchet stores multiple screwdriver heads in the handle for quick swaps. Whether you're assembling furniture or fixing things around the house, it adapts instantly. No toolbox juggling, just efficient multitasking in your hand. With comfort grip and sleek design, it feels as good as it performs. It's not just smart, it's seriously satisfying. Smooth it, scrape it, or remove it. This 3-in-1 caulk tool from Allway is a master of clean lines and fresh finishes. The sharp edge removes old caulk cleanly, while the flexible tip spreads new beads like a pro. Flip it around and you've got a scraper, spreader, and finisher all in one handle. It's great for kitchens, bathrooms, and window frames where neat sealing matters. The ergonomic grip gives you full control with zero mess. It's reusable, durable, and dishwasher safe too. Professionals and perfectionists, meet your new favorite finishing touch. Clean lines have never been this easy. Stripped lug nuts and rounded bolts? The Easy Off Twist socket set laughs at those problems. These high-strength sockets grip tighter as you turn, biting into damaged fasteners for quick removal. Ideal for auto shops, mechanics, and anyone stuck with stubborn hardware. No drilling, pounding, or praying. Just twist and release. The spiral flutes dig in aggressively without slipping. Each socket is laser-etched and built to last under pressure. Toss them in your emergency kit or garage toolbox. When everything else fails, this set delivers. It's your fast lane to frustration-free repairs. Need a flawless countertop seam? The Bessey seaming tool brings professional-grade precision to every joint. It aligns and levels solid surfaces perfectly while applying clamping pressure from underneath. The heavy-duty aluminum bars and adjustable suction cups keep materials locked in place. Whether you're gluing stone, corian, or laminate, this tool keeps your seam tight and invisible. It's built to handle long panels with ease, reducing sanding and finishing time. Quick setup means you spend less time prepping and more time bonding. The result? Seamless, rock-solid joints. Finish strong with Bessey. If you're tired of dull blades, the Knife and Tool Sharpener MK2 brings them back to life with surgical precision. It uses flexible abrasive belts to sharpen knives, scissors, axes, and even garden tools. You control the sharpening angle for professional results every time. With its powerful motor and variable speed, it's suited for both fine edges and heavy-duty blades. Compact and rugged, it's perfect for home shops, garages, or outdoors. Just a few passes and your edge is better than new. Quick, clean, and consistent. This sharpener means business. Stay sharp with every cut. When it's time to break through concrete like butter, the Hilti SDS Max demolition hammer steps up with serious muscle. This beast delivers high-impact energy with minimal vibration, making it easier on your hands during long sessions. Ideal for tearing through walls, slabs, and foundations, it's built for heavy-duty job sites. The ergonomic D-handle and active vibration reduction keep control rock solid. Hilti's reputation for durability shines through every slam. It's engineered to last and built to demolish fast. Contractors trust it, pros swear by it. This is destruction, done right. One tool to strip them all. Greenlee's universal cable stripping tool, works on a wide range of cable types and sizes. Adjustable blades make switching between coax, fiber, and data lines fast and effortless. The spring-loaded design ensures smooth, clean cuts every time. Its compact body fits easily in your hand or pocket, ready for action. Whether you're a low-voltage tech or telecom installer, this tool simplifies your workflow. It's built tough for daily use with minimal wear. Say goodbye to multiple strippers cluttering your bag. Clean, quick, and universal. It's stripping made smart. Measuring gable angles just got foolproof with the PacTool Gable Scribe, a smart layout tool that saves time and material. Simply lock it onto your siding board, align to the gable edge, and trace your perfect cut. It eliminates guesswork, math, and wasted panels with pinpoint accuracy. Perfect for roofing, siding, and trim work, especially where every inch counts. The sturdy design holds angles steady while you trace and cut. Contractors love it for fast, repeatable results. No recalculating, just clean installs. When precision matters, this tool draws the line. Turn your air hammer into a pulling powerhouse with the Texas Twister Kit. It rips out stuck parts in seconds. Great for removing bushings, bearings, seals, and more without pounding or torching. It attaches directly to your air hammer and uses its vibration to shake things loose. Built with heat-treated steel and pro-grade fittings, it's made for mechanics who don't mess around. The kit includes multiple adapters for different jobs, adding major versatility, reduce labor time, skip the frustration, and avoid damaging components. This is shop-level pulling with serious power. The Twister gets it done. Instantly turn your tractor or loader into a mini forklift with these heavy-duty clamp-on pallet forks. Just slide and tighten onto your bucket, and you're ready to lift pallets, logs, or construction materials. Built from thick steel and rated for massive loads, they handle serious weight with ease. The stabilizer bar keeps everything steady and balanced during transport. Perfect for farms, construction sites, and landscaping jobs. No welding or drilling required. Just clamp and lift. They're portable, tough, and ready for action. Move more, lift smarter, and boost productivity on the go. Engineered for high-stakes moments, the ResTech R2S is a revolutionary system for recovering disabled aircraft. It uses an integrated jack and pneumatic lift to safely raise and support aircraft without causing structural damage. Designed for rapid deployment during runway incidents or emergencies, the modular design adapts to different aircraft sizes and gear configurations. It's compact for transport yet powerful in operation, trusted by airports and rescue teams worldwide. This isn't just a tool. It's a life-saving innovation. Precision meets power when every second counts. Dig deep and fast with the Kinchrome Post Hole Digger, powered by a 51.7cc engine that tears through soil with ease. Perfect for fencing, decking, or planting, it's your best friend for any hole-digging mission. The high-torque motor and interchangeable augers make it ultra-versatile. Its vibration-dampening handle keeps control smooth and fatigue low. Built tough for the outdoors, it slices through clay, roots, and rocky terrain. Whether you're on the farm or the job site, this tool delivers. Precision digging has never been this effortless. Say goodbye to blisters and hello to horsepower. Shaping sheet metal is now a breeze with BeamNova's 2-in-1 shrinker and stretcher. Whether you're curving a panel or repairing automotive parts, this tool molds metal with incredible ease. Heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures it won't flex under pressure. Foot pedal operation keeps both hands free for better control. Switch between shrinking and stretching with a simple jaw change. Ideal for restoration, fabrication, and custom metalwork. It's clean, accurate, and saves loads of time in the workshop. Give your projects the perfect curve without breaking a sweat. Say goodbye to mismatched paint jobs with this color match light that reveals imperfections your eyes can't see. Built by Milwaukee, it delivers high CRI illumination that replicates natural daylight, so color differences stand out clearly. It's essential for body shops, painters, and detailers who demand perfection. The rugged, compact design fits in tight spots and survives tough environments. Multiple brightness levels and beam angles adapt to every project. Whether you're blending, polishing, or correcting, this light keeps things consistent. No more guesswork, just perfect paint every time. Let your eyes work smarter, not harder. Knuckle-busting slips are a thing of the past with the Prime Grip Knuckle Saver. This clever hand protector slides over your wrench or ratchet, shielding your knuckles from sudden jolts and tight corners. Made from tough polymer, it absorbs impact without compromising control. It's especially useful in tight engine bays and awkward spaces. Lightweight, compact, and reusable. It's a simple solution to a painful problem. Mechanics and tinkerers alike will appreciate the added safety. Your hands take enough punishment. This tool says, "Not today." Protect the grip that gets the job done. Repacking bearings has never been cleaner or faster than with Kinchrome's professional bearing packer. Just insert the bearing, press the cap, and grease flows evenly through every roller. No mess, no fuss. Perfect for trailers, cars, or any rotating machinery. Built from high-grade materials, it resists heavy-duty shop use. It saves grease, time, and frustration all in one go. No more hand packing or grease-covered gloves. Just push, twist, and done. This tool turns a dirty job into a clean process with pro-level efficiency. Lift and move heavy drums with confidence using the BeamNova upgraded chain drum lifter. Its reinforced steel hooks and chain mechanism secure drums tight, reducing the risk of tipping or slipping. Compatible with forklifts and cranes, it handles steel and plastic barrels with ease. The powder-coated finish resists corrosion, even in industrial environments. Whether you're working in a warehouse or workshop, it adds both strength and safety. Quick to attach, smooth to operate, and tough enough for the long haul. Say hello to smarter lifting. Big barrels, zero sweat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tools every day. Stay sharp, build smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.